Namaste, this is Dr Karishma Ahuja. Do you know what is the greatest mistake we make? The greatest obstacle we create for our own selves to allow the law of attraction from allowing the law of attraction to work for us. And that mistake is our ingratitude towards the universe for what it has given us. Let me explain this point to you with the help of a story. There was once an enlightened master known for his healings, his help that he would give others. It is said by his mere look and his touch, he was able to heal others. Once, he was walking along the streets of a city. He saw a young man who was drunk, rolling in dirt. He went up to him, sat by his side, and tried to wake him up. The young man opened his eyes, saw this enlightened master, recognized him. This enlightened master asked him, "Son, why are you wasting your precious youth in drinking? Is this how you are going to make use of your life? Is this what you think you are worth?" The young man replied, "Master, I was a leper. You cured me of my leprosy. But what else can I do?" This enlightened master heaved a sigh and silently walked away. In another street, he saw another man madly pursuing a woman. This master caught hold of him and asked him, "Son, why are you doing such a sinful act? That woman does not want to come close to you. Why are you disrespecting her and thus your own life?" The man replied, "Master, don't you recognize me? I was really blind. You gave me vision. But now, what else can I do?" Again the master silently walked away. Then he came along another street. This time he saw an old man crying bitterly. The master approached him and gently touched him. The old man wiped his tears, looked at the master. The master questioned him, "Why are you weeping, old man? What has gone so dramatically wrong with your life that you are in such a miserable condition?" The old man said, "Master, I was nearly dead. You granted me life. But what else can I do except weep in this old age?" What is the lesson this story teaches us? In times of difficulty, in times of troubles and distress, we cry out for universe's help. And the help comes. The help comes. But when the universe, out of its boundless love and compassion, responds to our prayer, we ignore it. We forget the blessings. In few moments, we fall back into our own self-centered life. Every prayer that the universe has responded to should help us becoming a better person, should help us improve our lives further. It should help us transform our hearts further. Ask yourself this question honestly. For all the things you today enjoy, you may have once earnestly prayed for, but today, having received them, are you grateful to the universe? Do you come from a state of gratitude, joy, and appreciation that your prayers were responded to? Or are you coming from a state of lack and bitterness that so many things that you desire you don't have today? By all means, we must pray for what we want. We have every right to work towards our goals. But in the process of this journey and you pursuing your goals, at every step you must be grateful. Grateful for all the things you have received. Grateful for life itself. Grateful for your very breath that demonstrates how much the universe loves you to keep you alive. Start your day with gratitude and end your day with gratitude. A sincere smile on your face and gratitude in your heart will go a long way in raising your own vibration. It will always keep you strong from within, determined to achieve everything that you desire, for it is gratitude and connection with the universe that is the inner drive that takes us towards our desires. We need that power. The law of attraction will certainly work for you. But first, you must learn to cherish each and every moment of your life, because each and every moment will come together to make up that big moment, that experience that you are looking to have in your life. I hope this video inspires you to adopt the attitude of gratitude in your life. Like and share this video with others. Subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. Don't forget to click the bell icon to stay updated with all the latest tips, tools and techniques I would be sharing on this channel. This is Dr. Karishma Ahuja wishing you all the very best. Namaste. God bless.